1, a hot day. This is the name of our lesson, a hot day. So let us read a story about an elephant and find out how he makes a new friends. Let us read our lesson. It is a hot day in the forest. A baby elephant comes to the forest. He wants a friend and he sees a white rabbit. The rabbit hops, the elephant cannot hop. He sees a monkey, the monkey climbs a tree. The elephant cannot climb a tree. He is sad. The rabbit and the monkey say hello to the elephant, and they do not like the hot day. Next, the elephant has an idea, and he fills his trunk with water, and he sprays water to the rabbit and the monkeys. The monkeys and the rabbit smile. The elephant is happy to help his friend. This is about the story of a baby elephant, how he make a new friend. Okay, so some of the words you can learn from here, that is like forest, elephant, once, friend, white or rabbit, monkeys, climbs, hello, and trunk, spray, smile, happy. These are the words you try to learn spelling at home. So you open page number 2. That is make connection. Okay, make connection. You can see here some of the picture also given. And make connection, you have to put a tick against the correct answer. Okay, so A is, where does the story take place? You can see here, where does the story take place? Okay, one is given zoo, and this is forest. And where is the story take place? In the forest. Okay, not here, in the forest. The story take place in the forest. Okay, and you see another page, page number 3, B. Okay, who comes to the forest? Who comes to the forest? Elephant, monkey, or rabbit? Okay, a baby elephant comes to the forest. Okay, the correct answer is a baby elephant comes to the forest. And number C, you look here. What kind of a day is it? Okay, it is a sunny day or rainy day. Okay, our lesson name is what? A hot day. So, what kind of a day it is? So, the correct answer is, it is a hot day. You tick against the hot day. Okay, and number 2 here. Where does the baby elephant do to make friends? Put a tick against the correct answer. The option 3 is given here. A is, he spray water on the monkeys and the rabbit, or he throws a ball at the monkey and the rabbit, or he plucks fruit for the monkeys and the rabbit. Which one is correct? So from our lesson we know that he spray water on the monkey and the rabbit. Okay, this is the correct answer. So I will give you homework. Page number 4. You do at your home. This is very easy. Names of an animal. Okay, match the names of an animal to the correct picture. These are the picture of an animal, and the names are given here. So you match the column, or match which one is which the animals. Okay, so name and the picture, you match them, and you try to learn this one. Okay, you turn now page number 5. That is here. Let us do some exercises. So naming words. Okay, naming words are the names given to animals, place, things, and people. Okay. So here are some of the example is here. Let us do this one. Circle the naming word of the following sentences. Okay. So number 8, let's see. The elephant wants a friend. Now which one is naming word here? Naming word, we know that naming word is a name of an name of an animals, places, things or people. Okay. So here elephant, this is animal. So you have to circle this one, and this is a naming word. Okay. And number B, the frog jumped into the pond. Okay. Here, which one is naming word? So animal is here. So this is naming word. You circle it. And number C, the lion sleeps in the cave. Okay. So here also we see animals. Okay. This is naming word. You circle. And number D, the children go to school every day. Here, which one is naming word? So, I told you now, naming word is a name of a place, animals, things or people. Okay. So here is place. So this school is a place. So this is naming word. Okay. And the last one, you see, the man with the drum is my father. Okay. In this sentence, which one is a naming word? So drum. This is a things. Okay. So drum is a naming word. So these are the exercises, and here there are two types of naming words. Okay. Some are called common names, while others are called exact names. Okay. So common names are the names of animals, people, places, and things in general. Okay. That is called common names. Common name does not begin with capital letters. Okay. But unless it is the letter of the first sentence. And let's see exact name. What are the exact names? Exact names are the special name given to a people, animal, places, and things. Okay. The exact name begin with a capital letters. Suppose my name Roma. Okay. Roma means R. You have to start with capital letter. All the exact name start with capital letters. Okay. And for today, this is the lesson which we are going to learn. See you in the next class.
Stay home, stay safe.
Do it for self.
Do it for your family. Do it for India.
Let's break the chain of COVID-19.
हम होंगे कामयाब, जय हिंद. हम होंगे कामयाब, जय हिंद.
हम होंगे कामयाब. जय हिंद.